In this video, I'm showing you how to set up the PPSSPP emulator on your iPhone and iPad to play all your favorite PSP games through your iOS devices. I will also be showing you the best settings to utilize to get the best performance and FPS while you are using the PPSSPP emulator. So do make sure to stick to the end of this video. Now simply open your app store and search for PPSSPP. Now once you search for this, you are going to see the emulator. So just download this emulator to your device. Once you are done downloading it, open the emulator for the first time. Immediately after you open this emulator, it's going to create a PSP folder inside your iPhone device. So let's go and check. So just go to your file explorer, which is this one in your iPhone. Once you come in here, normally it's going to show like this. It's going to be like this. So just come to this section that says on my iPhone. Once you come in here, you're going to see the PPSSPP folder. So if you click on it, you see that there's a PSP folder in here. So right now, all we need is just a game to play. Right now, I'm going to be locating my game file, which is inside my UC download. So once I come in here, you can see I have some different game files in here. So all I have to do is just extract any one of these games that I actually want to play. So I'm going to hold down on it. Once I hold down on it, you are going to see the uncompress icon. So I'll click on it, and just like that, it will start uncompressing the game file. You can see that the game main file is ready. So right now, I just have to hold down on it, and then I'm going to click on move. You see move at the top. Just click on move. Once you click on that, click on PPSSPP PSP game, and then move it into that game section. Once you've done this, go ahead and reopen your PPSSPP emulator. Once you reopen your PPSSPP emulator, you can see that it's still showing PSP in here. So click on PSP, click on game, and just like that, you can see that the game is there and is ready to play. Now I'm going to be showing you some few settings, but towards the end of this video, I'm going to recommend a video that has the complete dedicated setting that you need to get the best FPS and best graphics when you are playing this game. So right now, the only thing you need to just do, that's if you just want to start up playing immediately, just have to come down here. You are going to see frame skipping. Click on 2, click on auto frame skip. Then when you come to your rendering resolution, depend on how powerful your device is. If you have a very powerful iPhone or iPad, you can go for 4x PSP. But as for me, I will go for 2x PSP. And that's it. You can simply start playing your game.
Lars, get ready for the next battle. You win.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.